Krishani, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. Fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thanks for asking. All right, let's get started. So, can you please quickly introduce yourself, Krishnavini?
Yes, sir. My name is Krishnavini Paskandi. I am from Pune. I have completed my graduation from Pune University in 2022. That's all about myself.
Okay. So, all right. So, what kind of testing, what kind of testing pyramid you are following for your project?
So can I explain this with drawing?
Yeah, yeah. Please, go ahead.
Sir, is my screen is visible?
It seems loading to me. Yes, screen is visible.
Sir, we have four phases in testing pyramid.
Mm-hmm.
Um, First one is unit testing. Second one is integration testing. Third one is system testing, and fourth one is user acceptance testing. Unit testing is unit testing means testing the small unit of code, and it is done by developer or tester who know the programming language. And in unit testing is done on code level. And in this phase, we almost covered uh, we covered almost test cases. Like if we have 1,000 test cases in unit testing, uh, it will reduce in integration testing as 700 to 800 test cases.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
in, Integration testing means combining the modules into group and checking the data between them. And Integration testing is done on API. It is done by developer or QA. System testing is done. System testing is means checking the completeness and correction of the application as per SRS and PRS. System testing is done by tester, and it is done on application. And user acceptance, here we almost reduce the test cases by 500 to 400, because we cover the almost test cases in unit testing and integration testing. User acceptance testing. User acceptance testing means end-to-end testing. Here, uh, application is tested as per end user perspective, and it is done by internal or external QA. And
Okay.
here we almost come to 200 to 1 test cases.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's all.
Okay. So, is like in a UVT test cases, you created 200 test cases. So, is this 200 test cases and the 1,000 test cases are similar?
No, sir.
No?
No,
Okay.
because we can't test the similar test cases.
Mm-hmm.
We need to update and change the test cases all the time.
Okay. 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 All right. So, can you please tell me what are the agile ceremonies do we have?
Sprint planning meeting, Uh, Daily Scrum meeting, sprint review meeting, and retrospective meeting.
Okay, can you please tell me what is meant by the sprint retrospective meeting in detail?
In this meeting, all the team members discuss about what went well in the during the sprint, what we need to improve, and what difficulties they have been faced during the sprint. And the Scrum Master encourage the team to improve the whatever mistakes have been done during the sprint. And in this meeting, Scrum Master and Scrum team is there.
Okay, 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 fine. So can you please tell me what is the STLC do we have?
STLC means the phases of testing the application. There are similar pages in SDLC: requirement analysis, test planning, test design, environment setup, test execution, and test closure. Coming to requirement analysis, in this page, tester analyze the requirement that as per requirement we can able to test the application or not, we can create the test cases or not. And coming to test planning, in this phase, uh, product owner, team lead, or senior senior member of the team uh, distribute the work among the team members and plan the future, what work we are going to do and what we need to complete. These things are done in test planning, and requirement traceability matrix also prepared in this phase. Test design. In this phase, we create the test cases as per requirement or as per SRS. Environment setup. In this phase, networking persons or senior persons of the from organization set up the environment for the testing, whatever we need to test the application. Mm, Test execution. In this phase, we start the execution. Whatever test cases we have prepared, and as per that we need to prepare a test closure report after execution. This closure report we have to submit to the product owner or senior team member or senior leader. That's all.
Okay, all right. What do we have in bug life cycle management?
Bug life cycle management. uh, when tester found the when tester found any bug, he assigned that bug to the developer, stated this bug as new, and once the bug is assigned to developer uh, try to reproduce the bug and check that the bug is valid or not. If the bug is not valid, or the bug is not reproducible, then the tester state it as rejected. And if the bug is not need to fix in the current sprint, or we can fix that in next field, developer state that bug as deferred. And if the bug is valid, and developer uh, developer do the uh, changes as per requirement and resolve that bug, then state that bug as fixed, and uh, uh, tester retest that bug, and if the bug is resolved properly and working fine, then he state that as close, and if it is not working fine, then tester state that as reopen. That's all.
Okay, okay. What is meant by the left shift testing, Krishnavani?
Left shift testing.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, I have no idea about that. So,
Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, so can you please tell me what is mean by the what is the difference between priority and severity?
priority means the order in which the defect has to be fixed, and severity means the impact of the defect on the application.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you please give me the example of the high severity but low priority?
Um, if we have the login, sorry, if we assume that we have a e-commerce application, and there be on payment module, and payment page, and we want user is trying to use the payment methods like debit card, credit card. User is not able to pay the amount by using the Google Pay, like Google Pay or Phone Pay options, but he is able to use uh, other options like debit card, cash on delivery. This means high severity and low priority, because the uh, impact of the because that uh, that thing is not usable by the user, and it is impacting on the application's reputation. And low severity because low priority, because he can use the uh, other methods also. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you please open the what Rediffmail website, Rediffmail login website? Just open it.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to create the test case over here. Just need to write down. You have to write down the summary. That's it. But you have
Yes.
to write down only summary of the test case. You don't have to write down the other component, and create the test cases over here with the help of the all black box testing technique. So your black box testing technique should be justified over here. Can you please create the test cases?
Okay, sir. Here we are using decision table technique.
Yeah, once you are done with an all test case creation, then you have to explain.
Okay,
Okay, Krishnavani?
okay, sir. That's also.
Yeah, can you please explain the all discuss one by one, and can you please justify the all black box testing technique here?
Yes, sir. Uh, Verify login with valid username and valid password. Here we have used decision table technique. In these four test cases, we have used decision table black box testing. And in verify username text box accepting more than 1 to 50 character, here we can use equivalence class partitioning technique, that
Mm-hmm.
we can test it uh, by entering the numbers more than 50 to 51 to 60 characters, or
Mm-hmm.
entering the numbers between 1 to 50 characters, and try to enter without entering anything in the username field, only password, and we try to login the login that in
Mm-hmm.
uh, in password text box. We uh, we can use boundary value analysis, boundary value technique also. Try to mm, try to enter less than one character or one character,
Mm-hmm.
mm,
Mm-hmm.
or my or two characters, and try to enter more than nine characters, or only nine characters.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Verify user is getting block message. If user is trying to log in with invalid uh, username and password
Mm-hmm.
at two times, then he
Mm-hmm.
should uh, firstly, when he try at first attempt, he should get second chance, and when he try to attempt at second time, he should get third time. But when he try to attempt at third time with invalid credential, he should get block message or error, that message that your account is blocked for 24 hours or etc.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's
All right. Okay. Can you please write down the query? Suppose we have a one table, and in that table we have a column, employee column we have, and in that employee column we have a first name. So we have to create the query to find out the unique name from that column name. So can you please write down the query for it?
done, sir.
Done. Okay. So can you please suppose we have a two tables. Out of the tables, I want to fetch the information of the left side of the table, complete information I want to fetch, and from an right side of the table, I want to fetch the only match value. Okay. So can you please write down the query for it?
Right side, what's the match
Left
value?
side. Yes, only match value we have to fetch.
Left side, all information.
Yes.
Sir, I exactly don't know about this, but
Okay, no problem, no problem. So suppose we want to, so suppose we have a column which is named as employee, table we have a which is named as employee, and in that table we have a column which is named as a salary. So I want to fetch the range of the salary from 10,000 to 20,000. I want to fetch the all range of all name of the this salary range. So can you please write down the query for it?
employee name, sorry, sorry.
So suppose we have an employee table. In that employee table, we have a salary column. So I want to fetch the first name of the all employees who is having a salary from 10,000 to 20,000.
Done.
Done. Okay. All right. So can you please tell me what are the asset properties do we have?
Acid properties, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Atomicity is nothing but when we perform the operation, either it will be successful to the completion or it will be failure. Consistency. It is nothing but when we perform the operation on the data, the value of the data, uh, the value of the data before operation and before operation and after operation should be same.
Mm-hmm.
And isolation, multiple operation occur simultaneously without any interference. Durability, uh, if we if we perform operation and commit data after uh, after operation failure, the data will be permanent.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Okay. 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 Great. All right. So can you please tell me what is meant by the foreign key? Why we are using the foreign keys?
Foreign key is used to uh, is used to do relation between two tables.
Mm-hmm.
Is used to
Okay.
create a relation between two tables.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So can you please tell me what is mean by the defect rise meeting do we have?
Effect triage meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I have no idea, but I think it is related to defect that if
Okay.
defect is not understandable or not
Mm-hmm. Okay.
so.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. No problem. All right. I think I'm pretty much good from my side, Krishnavani. Okay. So we will have a feedback session as well. No need to worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank you.